Hello everyone, I'm doing my presentation over communication and technology. Have you noticed a shift in your relationships due to the big social media boom of the last several years? And I would say absolutely yes. For me personally, I think one big thing is dating. It used to be that you would just meet people at bars, or bars probably not the best place, but church, the grocery store, from different friends, stuff like that. But now it's all Tinder and Bumble and swiping left and swiping right and talking to people online. So I think that is the biggest shift is in the dating. Has it had an impact on your daily life? It obviously has. At work, at home, with friends, family, kids. I think that it has an impact on all of those. For work, I think that it can be, the productivity can go down in a workplace. There can be drama from people posting stuff that may not be appropriate at work. My daughter's not really old enough to utilize it. She's 11 and I haven't allowed her to get on Facebook. I think that it has a lot of positive effects for small businesses. It's great free marketing on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. But overall, I think that most of the impacts are negative that it has. I think that it can definitely affect working efficiencies and drama in the workplace and just our overall social interaction. If you have children, nieces or nephews, etc., do you notice differences in their level of involvement? And like I said, my daughter's 11. I let her get on Instagram and she'll like some pictures of cats or dogs or stuff like that, but she's not on Facebook, and I don't plan on letting her join Facebook anytime soon. But I would say as a whole, for teenagers, yes, their face-to-face communication is probably considerably less than what it used to be when I was a kid, when we didn't even have cell phones. Have I ever been off-grid? When I left a company that I was with for 11 years, I had to give up my company phone, and the new company that I started with, they gave me a company phone, and it took them 2 weeks to get me a phone, so I did not want to go out and buy my own phone for 2 weeks, so I was off the grid. First couple days, it kind of bugged me. I wasn't able to check up on what's going on Facebook and what's going on Instagram. But after a couple days, it really was nice not being tied to my phone. I would always, wake up in the morning and look at Facebook, look at Instagram. Before I go to bed, I would do the same thing. And throughout the day, you constantly find yourself checking to see what's going on. And after a couple days, I learned that, guess what? You don't really miss much when you don't have social media. So that was my experience, and thanks for watching.